Hello everyone, welcome to FixZone. Today we will be discussing how to change the refresh rate on your Mac or an external display. Let's get started. First, click on the Apple logo in the top left corner of your screen. Then you'll want to click on System Settings. Once you're in the System Settings app, scroll down until you find Display and click on it. Now, in the display options, choose the specific display you want to change the refresh rate for. I'm going to select my external display for this example. Once you've selected your display, navigate to the refresh rate option. By default, it's likely set to 60 Hz. However, you can change it to another refresh rate that your display supports. If you have a variable refresh rate display, you can also select that option here. But for this example, I'm going to choose specific refresh rate example, e.g., the Hunan. Once you've made your selection, your display might flicker for a moment. Don't worry, that's normal. Once it turns back on, the refresh rate will be successfully updated. And that's it. It's that simple to change your refresh rate on a Mac. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like. And if you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them below. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to FixZone for more helpful tech tips.